Now we have to prove the height of a complete binary tree with n nodes is nothing but log base 2 n plus 1. Suppose the definition of a binary tree is what? Complete binary tree is what? Every label is completely filled except the last. So let's I am drawing a binary tree. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Suppose in that particular case I want to calculate the number of nodes. Suppose what is that? That is level 0. If you talk about level 0, the number of nodes in level 0 is nothing but 2 to the power 0. That is 1. If you talk about level 1, the number of nodes in the level 1 is nothing but 2 to the power 1. And if you talk about level 2, the number of nodes in that level is nothing but 2 to the power 2. So we can say the number of nodes is nothing but simply it depends upon the number of level that you are asking. So if total number of nodes I am asking, then you will simply sum up this and you will get the 7 nodes in that particular example. So in exam, if you want to prove it, then you must start this question with levels. So how to write it? You should write this in n number of nodes always less than, because this why less 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power give you what? Total number of nodes in that level. In level 2, the maximum number of nodes could be 4. 2 to the power 2 says that. But it may happen the nodes may be 3 or 2 or 1, at least 1. So because if 0 nodes means there is no light. So this is the maximum nodes. So total number of nodes I am calculating in terms of maximum. So it always must be less than equals. Why less than equals? Because I am adding sum upping all the terms which are maximum. If any one of the maximum term goes down, suppose in spite of writing 4, I am writing, if I am adding 3, that it could not be 7, it would be 6. So my n is 7, but it may be 6. So n less than equals to 7, right? This actually explains. So less than equals to, now what I am doing, I am adding 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 and so on. Since level is start with 0, then we know that the last level will be nothing but L minus 1 because it start with 0. So 2 to the power L minus 1. Now you must write this. Now to prove this, if I am asking, say me what is the total number of nodes in where the height is 1, where the height is 2, where the height is 3. Simple trick. To know the number of nodes where the height is 1, you should write 2 to the power the height which I am talking about. I am talking about height 1, then height 1 minus 1, you will get 2. Number of nodes in height 2. What is the number of nodes in that particular total number of nodes up to that particular height? Up to height 1, the total number of nodes is 2 to the power 1 minus 1, that is 1, right? Now height for this height up to height 1, the total number of nodes is 2 to the power 1 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now up to height 2, total number of nodes is how much? 3. How to get it? The height where you are standing is put, or it can be put as a power of 2. So 2 to the power 2 minus 1 gives you 3. That is total number of nodes up to height 2. Now up to height 3, the total number of nodes, if you want to know, put the height is here 3 and subtract the 1 from it, you will get 7. So 7 nodes are here in up to height 3. So to know that number of node, that is I always use less than equals to, because less than equals to represent nothing but you are calculating in terms of maximum terms. So I am using less than equals to, we are using. So if you want to know number of nodes in a particular height, you should have that height in the power of 2 and subtract minus 1 from it, you will get it. Now after this is the main expression. After writing this expression, you need to solve the expression. So solve it. So 2 to the power, adding on both sides, you will get the expression. I am just writing it 2 to the power h can be as n plus 1, same expression. Now taking log both side base 2, so h will give you log base 2 n plus 2. Nothing, simple, nothing in it. It's so simple to prove. If h is greater than equals to itna, then h at least log base 2 n plus 1. So this way you can prove it. This is the way we will proceed to prove that particular question. Suppose in the particular given question, if I want to know the number of nodes and height is given, number of nodes is given to me, suppose number of nodes are 7 and I want to know the height, I simply add up 1 with the given number of nodes, that is 8, makes it the 7, 8, and if I want to calculate the value, then it is nothing but 2 to the power 3, 3 falls down here, then 3 into log base 2 2. So this will give you 3 into 1, that is 3. So total number of nodes, not total number of nodes, it's the height of complete binary tree, right? So this is the way to prove that.